In this video, I'm just going to show you how to mark the PBLA using the PBLA tool, and then how to fill in the FPR. So if we take a look at the FPR, and this is speaking, we can look at one of the PBLAs. This is have a conversation with a classmate. So you can't see the raw score here, but you can see the number of indicators of ability. So for this PBLA, there are 7 indicators of ability, and students must achieve 5 out of 7. They must also, if you look here, achieve the bolded indicators of ability. So let's take a look at the tool. So here's the PBLA tool, and we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 indicators of ability. So students need to achieve 5 out of 7 indicators of ability. And they must also achieve the bolded indicators. So this is the bolded indicator here, which is completes tasks effectively overall. The second one is uses some variety of grammatical structures, and the third one is adequately fluent with some pauses and hesitations. So they must achieve these three bolded ones, and they must achieve at least 5 out of 7. So they would have to achieve these 3 and 4 other ones. So this one. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, this student would have achieved this assessment because they achieved 5 out of 7 indicators as well as the bolded indicators. So if we go back to the FPR, I can enter 5. Oops. I can enter 5 because this student has achieved 5 out of the 7 indicators of ability, and I can put in brackets A if I want, just to indicate that. And if a student, for example, only achieved 4 indicators out of 7, then they would have an NA, and then I would upload the tool at the end of the term if the student did not achieve 70% of the competency. So in 5LS, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 competencies for speaking. And so they must achieve 5 out of the 7 competencies in order to be successful in this course. I hope that helps.